All right. It is Wednesday. I hope you had yourself a good Tuesday. I did. And I do apologize for not uploading for, what was it, about a week and a half, somewhere in there, by the time you see this video. Uh, but let's get back right into it. What are we doing? Well, it's Wednesday, so we're doing Karens. I'm not going to do a Sovereign Citizens video on Wednesday because those are for Mondays, and I don't want to confuse anybody. So, what do I have? What do I got for you today? Well, this individual here is not too happy that these individuals have been revving their engines. Now, normally, you would think, well, Meteor, that's really fucking annoying. How does that make him a Karen? Because he decided to pull out a chainsaw. He thought that was a great idea. So that's what's elevating him to being a Karen at this point, because he decided to pull out a fucking chainsaw. So we're going to watch that shit. So, yeah, enjoy.
Fucked up shit. I know it's fun and all that good shit, but one more fucking time, I'm gonna use that fucking thing, and I guarantee your life's gonna change. You understand? Alright. You think I'm kidding? Here, you like this sound? Oh shit.
Yes, this is how you solve your problems when someone's revving an engine. You pull out a chainsaw and you rev that engine. This is what is elevating him to being a Karen at this point, because he is going way over that edge.
That's the dumbest shit.
Now
You
what?
bring a fucking chainsaw out?
I put that to walk 7
You're the
times.
only one with PCC. I got
7 times.
I'm fucking good.
Okay, but I'm not.
Okay.
I spent 18 fucking months in Romania,
And I fucking spent 10 in Afghanistan.
So what?
Alright?
Yeah, so what? So what? I love that. This guy tried to pull out his military credentials, and the guy he's barking to has done more time in the military. All of a sudden, it's so what? It's so what? I did it right. Well, I've been in Afghanistan for eternity. So.
That's so good. No. For what? For what? I don't mean that. All
You
of
come
you.
in here bringing out a chainsaw and shit.
So
What,
what?
do you want to be threatening?
How's that a threat?
Alright?
How is that a
How's that a
threat?
threat?
How is that a threat? How is that a threat? You brought out a fucking chainsaw and you turned it on. Help me here. How is that being construed as anything but a threat? Okay, I'm sure that you have that one guy in your life that's an asshole, and he's always revving his engine, and every now and again, you go and you give him some shit. But something tells me that you didn't bring a chainsaw along for intimidation purposes. You gotta sit there, chainsaw's a threat. Yeah, you turning on a chainsaw, I can see how that's a threat.
I was in fucking war too. You're not the
What
only
did you
one.
fucking
Okay?
do?
And you know what? And I have respect for you the same way you should have respect for me. Alright?
So why are
But
you
don't come
getting
around here.
involved? Why the
Don't
fuck are
come-
you getting involved?
Man, get the fuck away from me. Just go. Just get in your car.
Just
and fucking go.
fuck you.
Just get in your car.
How about that? Fuck you. You gonna try and punk me in front of all your dudes?
No, ain't
Fuck
nobody
all of
punking,
you.
ain't nobody punking anything, bro. Ain't nobody punking
Fuck
nobody.
all of you.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, alright.
Okay.
You like you. Let me
Okay.
catch you in the fucking army.
Come on, homie, let's go.
Yeah, I doubt it.
Yeah.
Tighten it up, bro.
No, tighten it up. Don't
Tighten
worry
it
about
up.
it. Don't worry about it.
What?
I'm good.
What?
I'm good.
What?
Alright?
Because my exhaust is... Bro, it went off 7 times. Because he's sitting there in park. And what the fuck are you opening your mouth?
Hey, come on.
I mean, so any of you, all of you, any of you, all of you, fuck all of you. Fuck all of you. He sat there and revved it 7 times. I didn't threaten anybody. Oh, so I told him to stop doing these dumbass fucking cunt.
Yes.
Get in the fucking car!
Wow, maybe we should go to some fucking anger management class.
Yeah, some anger management might do you some good. And if that's how that dude treats his friends, that dude doesn't need enemies.
At this point, you're threatening fucking
And
kids with a
this is what
chainsaw.
Marines do. Let laws like that talk to See, you need to check yourself, bro.
Hey, everybody, you and me both fought for that fucking freedom.
Right, freedom. If you look like that, not really.
Yes.
Oh, so you have something bad to say about how you look?
Bro,
Bro.
What are you gonna do? Assault me in public?
why are you still talking, you dumb
Because I
bitch?
can, because these are my friends.
I don't give a fuck.
I give a fuck. You're not about to come in here threatening my fucking friends with fucking
Why are you
chainsaws.
opening your mouth?
Because I can.
Because I'll bring some bitches here that will fucking own you.
Yeah, see, she just needs to shut her mouth and get back in the kitchen, right? I mean, she ain't allowed to have an opinion.
Go ahead, and the cops will be there here in 2 seconds.
The cops will be here that I was in the fucking military with, so they'll laugh in your face.
They will not laugh.
Yeah, they will.
Is there a smoke?
Want to find out how it's gonna go?
Well, please do. So, you want to call him? Because I'll wait for him.
Oh, no, I'm texting my friends. Don't worry.
Yeah, your friends.
We can go talk to the cars over there.
Let's go.
The guys who are driving the car.
Nobody did that.
You're a fucking bitch,
I don't
bro.
give a fuck what you got to say.
Yes,
You're a
yes.
bitch. Because you were
Yes.
in my Marine Corps.
I was in your fucking people. I was in my
Hey,
Marine Corps.
shut the fucking door. Get the fucking phone.
That's how you talk to your own people.
Yeah, that's how I talk to my own people. That's how I And do something wrong. I'm here in front of all your people. Do something wrong.
It ain't even about that. It ain't even about that. Alright?
Fuck all the
Lights out there.
You're gonna run your mouth when I pull away, right? Do it. Do it.
How the fuck are you gonna talk to a girl?
I'm calling them. I got it.
Take his fucking. Take his beard running. Do it.
We're still here.
All right, so that is the video. Now, obviously, at the latter half of this video, they were intentionally doing that shit to piss him off. I have no clue if they were doing that in the beginning to intentionally piss him off. They most likely did. Who knows? But again, what makes this rise to the level of a Karen is the way he chose to react to it. Out of all of my little things I have seen with road rage when I'm running around on the internet looking for stuff, I ain't never seen someone pull out a gas-powered chainsaw and, you know, not threaten somebody with it. But, yeah, that's going to be it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back on Friday. And until then, I will see you people later. And enjoy your day.